हेलो एवरीवन। आज मैं क्लिनिक से 12:30 पौने 1 बजे घर आई। माई आईज आर फील्ड विथ स्लीप, ओके, एंड आई एम लाइक वेरी टायर्ड। मैंने डिनर नहीं लिया। मैं 5-6 दिन से डिनर ठीक से खा भी नहीं रही हूँ, लेकिन आई हैव बीन कीपिंग वेरी बिजी in my clinic. I have a lot of patients and all that. So ये vlog मैं बना रही हूँ for all those mothers who have their kids at home and they work till late hours, and then they come, they somehow miss their kid and food and home and pets. I am also one among them, okay. And I also want to share you guys that I got chumps the moment I landed into my clinic. I got chumps, okay. Coincidentally, I was wearing a white sari, and I had got a big patch of bloodshed in right at the back of my sari. So what happened was, I have a male doctor, associate staff, a student, okay, who happens to be there always in my clinic along with my female associate doctor, a junior. They both are my junior doctors, okay. So I knew that I had a long day today, and I might have to extend and keep working maybe by 11:30. I wasn't knowing that मुझे 12:30 बज जाएंगे काम करते करते। तो एनीवेज, दिस वाज द थिंग। तो मुझे पता था कि सारा दिन भर आई हैव टू बी विद दैट मेल गाय अदर देन माई हस्बैंड. So he is also a doctor. So the moment I stepped inside my clinic, I said to him that, doctor, both of you, I am suffering from chumps right now. It just broke, and मेरी साड़ी में एक बड़ा सा पैच लग गया है, ठीक है, ब्लड का. So and that male junior doctor of my clinic, he like closed his eyes out of shyness, and he was blushing, and he was looking hither and thither, thinking that ma'am ko kaisa lagega, what she will think if I happen to listen. But actually wanted him to listen to that, just to make him comfortable, that this is a natural phenomenon. Then I told him, you are a doctor, first of all. You should be feminist. Everybody should be equal in your eyes, okay, whether it is a male, whether it is a female, okay. We are, though you are my junior, but you guys are my colleagues. You two are doctors, so face it, this is been faced by a women every month, so it's a natural phenomenon. This happens, take it easy, take it light. It happens to every woman. So one must not keep a, a tilted and a twisted eye over there. Oh my god, what has happened and all that. It's a natural phenomenon. It can happen to anybody, that somebody who is suffering from chums or periods or whatever maybe can get such patches any hour, any time. So it's the prime duty, and it's the prime duty of the male associate or the staff or the co-employee in any sector, in any working area, to make the female co-employee comfortable, that this is a natural phenomenon and I'm okay about it. I don't find it wrong, I don't find it offensive that you got chums and all that. So it's a suggestion to all the male employees out there, male doctors or whosoever, whatever profession it is. Male should make the female co-employees comfortable in such hard times, okay. And luckily, my junior doctor associate, he was, after making him understand all these things, he was very like, he made me comfortable. He did not made me feel that I am suffering from something very distinct. So he made me comfortable, and I was with him till 12, I guess, 11:30, I guess, yeah. So it was super good to be with such good heart male co-employees. So thank you so much. It was just a small message to all the males out there, that please make your co-female employees or associates comfortable in such and such situation, in terms of chums, in terms of pregnancy, in terms of any difficulty the female is facing, and make the environment comfortable